This is a Haas CNC vertical machining center. It is a VM-3 model, which has a 40-inch by 26-inch by 25-inch travel. The Haas control on this machine was updated in 2018 to a MainCon CNC control. The machine has a 12,000 max RPM spindle, a rapid traverse rate at 710 inches a minute. It has a side mount twin arm tool changer with 24 stations. This machine is equipped with a 30 horsepower inline direct drive, and the distance from the spindle to the table surface ranges from 4-inch to 26 inches. It is also equipped with 4th and 5th axis brushless drives, and it has a chip auger, remote jog handle, and a standard coolant system. This machine is for sale at machinesused.com.